Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Netflix. Now, everything's happening right around this 515, 518 area. You can see we're trading right at 515 in after hours today. We're up right against that 9-day EMA. That's going to be our first resistance right there at 515.82. The second is going to be that 50-day moving average, and that's currently trading at 517. And then obviously you have this big resistance level here at the 518.15. So you can see basically the past like 4 weeks or so just kind of been coiling, just kind of tightening up in here. That's kind of good. That's what you want to see. A little sell off in here. I mean, we got up and touched the 525s, bounced off these 505s quite a few times though. So, but really right now it's all around basically this 515, 518 area, as we said. You can see here support wise, we have a line drawn here for a lower trend line of a symmetrical triangle that we're building. That's currently going to be trading right at that 510 mark. That's going to be a support for us. And then below that, it's going to be down here at 505. So we're going to see if this lower trend line does hold. Now, if we get below 505, then obviously we're going to be down here right around that 495 area, but I don't think we're going to get there just yet unless we get a big move. But when everything's coiling up like this, we perhaps might get a big move, but we don't really know exactly which direction. Above 518 here at the big resistance, really not a whole lot going on. Obviously that 525, but above that, you got nothing really until this 534 up here. So that's going to be a further out resistance that, we have to keep our eye on. We dig in deeper to 30-minute today. You can see basically we got away from that VWAP up here right around the 520s, been pulled right back to it, and then actually in after hours crossed below it. So really we tried to kind of, I mean, it was a good day in here today, obviously $5 up from yesterday's close, but really kind of got taken away from us here about midday, right around 1:30 today, and then we ended up back below that those moving averages and that VWAP here on the 30-minute chart. IV ranking here is 0. So IV relative to itself, completely low. Your raw IV right around 22% by next Friday. It's a $10 expected move. Next for the following Friday, $15 expected move. If you got to your September monthlies, right around $25 in there in a expected move with a raw IV of around 25%. So really raw IVs all in their 20s, and IV rank again is 0. So everything's relatively cheap in here. Not a whole lot of premium. Everything's getting nice and tight and coiled. I mean, that's what happens when you basically don't really do anything for the past 4 weeks or so. It's just going to suck all the premium out of there. So if you were selling some premium off of this big down move right here, well, congratulations. You sucked all the premium out there. There's literally no IV left in here with an IV rank of 0. So we'll see what happens in here. See if we can get some IV, see if we can get some movement either up or down here soon. But again, keep an eye right on this 515 area. Watch the lower trend line here of this triangle. Watch the 505s, watch the 518s, and then watch those 525s. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.